All right.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is what you would call a wall clock, or school clock, or railway clock, railroad station clock, I'm sorry, whatever. This is a double fusee. It was made by William Baker out of Birmingham, England, between 1854 and 1867. As I said, it is a double fusee, and it strikes on the hour on a gong, does not strike on the half hour, and once again going back to the hour, coming up on 5 o'clock. Okay. This is an all original clock coming out of Birmingham, and as you know, you open the clock after you have taken your pendulum off, and you open it on the sides, such as I'm doing here, and the actual movement is in here. This too is a double fusee. A double fusee. And as you can see, hopefully by the pictures, that it has the fusee. This is what is known as the fusee. And actually this movement was actually invented by Leonardo da Vinci. It goes back that far to where he came up with the concept of the fusee movement, was Leonardo da Vinci. And here it is, it's shaped like a cone to keep the accuracy of the time accuracy on it. And on the other side, it's basically the same thing as what was on that side, except, of course, you can open it from this side, have a better look or view at the dome, where it domes on, or the gong, I'm sorry. And a picture too here of the other fusee. As I said, it is a double fusee. It's fruit carved on the front, mahogany. And to remove the clock itself, as far as the dial and the faceplate and the movement, you would have to remove these two bolts, or wooden bolts on each side, and simply lift it out after you have removed your pendulum. That's it. It's William Baker out of Birmingham, England, and as I said, the case is mahogany with fruit.
All right, folks, that is lot number 8.